Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GA4 e-commerce tracking for WooCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure GA4 e-commerce tracking for WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insights. Install and activate the Monster Insights plugin. Once activated, go to the Insights menu and click on Settings. Connect your Google Analytics account by following the on-screen instructions. Select the GA4 measurement ID of your property to link it to your WooCommerce store. Next, navigate to the e-commerce tab within the Monster Insights settings. Enable both standard and enhanced e-commerce tracking features. Save your changes to apply the new settings. Now, you need to set up WooCommerce for e-commerce tracking. Go to WooCommerce and navigate to the Settings section. Click on the Integration tab and check if the Monster Insights option is available. If it is available, ensure that it is enabled. Next, visit the Products section and ensure that all product data is complete. Verify that you have product prices, SKUs, and categories set correctly. For enhanced e-commerce, you require GTAG.js or Google Tag Manager. If you're using GTAG.js, go to your theme's header file. Insert the GA4 tracking code before the closing head tag. If you're using Google Tag Manager, log into your GTM account. Create a new tag using the GA4 configuration option. Set the tag type to Google Analytics, GA4 event. Now, set the configuration tag to your GA4 property. Define a trigger for your tag to fire on all pages. Test your setup using Google Tag Assistant or the preview mode in Google Tag Manager. Make sure that all relevant events are being captured in real time. Return to your WooCommerce settings and ensure that the checkout process is properly configured. Implement tracking for the purchase confirmation page using either GTAG.js or Google Tag Manager. To test your e-commerce tracking, complete a test transaction in your store. Check the real-time reports in GA4 to confirm that the transaction was recorded. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.